Hey, sorry for the red light, but there's construction happening and this is the only place that we can come to. So I wanted to talk to you about how to take a song from what's written on sheet music to making it your own. And we're going to do the song Reb David, or Rabbi David. And I'll show you. So there's a way of playing it that's, playing the notes, which is... It's kind of stagnant, it's a little bit boring, it's correct, but you need to take the song somewhere, right? You need to make the song your own, and you need to make the song more musical. So, especially in klezmer, let's review it. So I'm just going to concentrate on the right hand. So the beginning is... And really what we can do is add some trills, which is... Right? So, and trills you learn by repeating trills over and over. So if the song is in D major, right? Or this D scale, I could do that scale over and over. But I should also do trills over and over. So that means... with different fingers. That was 2-3-2. I should try the same with 3-4-3. Obviously I need practice. So that when I'm playing the song I could do those trills where in the sheet music it's notated with a trill notation or where it sounds good. So what it would sound like is... right? Or that ba ba da da. I could do that in lots of ways. So instead of just doing the, I could do a slide up from the F sharp to the G, right? So, or I could do a slide up with a D, F sharp and G. There was another trill. So, and really those little things will make your song sound better. That adds musicality, and that's, to me, learning the song's notes is the first 40% of playing the song. The rest of it, over 60%, is adding those trills, adding your musicality. Everyone plays the exact same note. It's kind of like, you know the alphabet, and you know the words, so you can read what's in front of you. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood. 40% of it, you got the words right. The rest of it, 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. Your delivery of it, obviously the person that's writing it, kind of a weird analogy, right? But you're playing it, or you writing a song is the remainder of it. So right, that's the musicality, and that's what makes songs beautiful. That's what will make people listen to you. That's what will get your level of enjoyment of playing a little bit deeper. I'm hopefully not preaching how you should play, but a lot of you are sending me videos saying, hey, here's a song, where do I go next? How do I become better? And my answer is, you're playing the song great. You have all the right notes and you have some musicality. It's practicing the little things that make a song more musical and special. And again, the way to break it down in those 15-minute practices is by doing those trill exercises. Or, right? That section in the song. So then you can put it anywhere, right? Right? Or right? So it's learning those little trills. I don't have to do those trills. I could probably play the song or just those slides. Or so all those little variations will make the song your own. Yeah, so I hope that this helps make you more musical. The analogy that I was trying to make before was we all are taught musical notes, the same way that we're all taught letters of the alphabet. Eventually we all know how to write, because we all know how to put T, H, and E together to make the word the. And we can all write all the words, right? What makes a poet or a writer special is they've practiced their craft a lot, and they have that combination of words. What makes a really good reader really good is they've practiced lots and lots of reading and delivery in front of a mirror, right? Same thing with us as musicians. We practice the little things that make songs special. You can't be expected to pick up an instrument and play beautifully a song the first time that you play it. People that do that have been practicing for years and years and years, right? Studio musicians or classical musicians that can take a piece of music and play it right away have a lot of practice. So have a lot of practice. Practice, enjoy that practice, and obviously enjoy the performance of the song. Enjoy.